So the topic of the program is privacy, IoT and AI. Target audience is a group of high school students from a number of high schools in the area. This year they got to build their own voice assistant from scratch. So they used Raspberry Pi, Python, programming with OpenAI interfaces to create their own personalized Alexa-like assistant. Today is the symposium. They're going to demo this custom voice assistant. The visitors are going to interact with it and ask it questions and see the different personality of each group's project.
The personal one that we made is a version of a voice assistant that has multiple personalities. We call it APES, AIPS, and our gimmick or our thing that we do is we are able to switch between personalities and have different types of assistants for different people, similar to Alexa user profiles or Netflix accounts.
My favorite part of this experience is probably getting to meet new people that have a similar interest to me. So we all like computer science, so we get to build off of what each other like and learn a lot from each other. We named my Alexa device Scarlett GPT, and she has a calm voice to make the user feel more calm and relaxed when using her. And she's really cool because she has a special calendar feature where you can add or delete events, and even if you continue running it, it won't delete what you did prior, so it saves, and that's a really cool function that not all of the GPTs that people make have. I would absolutely suggest other people to participate in this because you learn a lot of things that you didn't know before, and it helps you kind of expand on your knowledge just on what the future is going to be.